slightly deeper stack bet, but I think it's a very, very fun spot to look at. We're on the button, full folds the small blind. We're 3-betting versus class. So check back flop, I think pretty normal, that deep. And now, what are we thinking? There are many boards in 3-bet pots that are massively over c-bet by population. And like a lot. Imposition on the flop. Well, imposition is checking because if you look at the range explorer, and if you look at equities, so imposition has a big advantage here, but then they're pretty close up top. And the way it works is out of position will probably have less even in terms of percentage of the range. Like 90% of out of position's range is top pair compared to 30. But out of position has 9.1% two pair plus versus 7%. So the reason in position is checking as much is because at the very highest equity portion, in position has an advantage.